NYSE Floor Talk is John Swigart. He is a co-founder and CEO at Pi Insurance. John, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you so much for having me.
So let's start off by talking about the company. What is Pi Insurance? What do you do?
Pi Insurance is a small business focused insurtech. We provide commercial insurance. We provide workers' compensation insurance, which is a required product if you have employees. And we've just expanded into commercial auto insurance.
Okay. So now tell me, what specific challenges of small businesses do you address, and how are your services tailored to meet their needs?
Yeah, so small businesses, there's a wide range of small businesses. Obviously, you have accounting firms, you have restaurants, but you also have tree trimmers and landscapers and roofers and contractors. And they all have different needs. We serve more the blue collar industries, the service industries, and they actually find that it's quite hard and challenging to find insurance that's affordable, that's available, that meets their needs. And so what we're doing is we're making it easier. That's where the name comes from, actually, easy as pie. We're making it easier and more affordable for those businesses to get insurance. We use data and analytics and proprietary algorithms to be able to price them more accurately, so we can provide lower prices to customers who deserve that. And we use that technology to also deliver a really efficient and great customer experience so that we have low costs to not, again, to be able to offer lower prices to them.
Okay, so everyone's talking about AI. Tell me, how are you embracing AI?
Yeah, so AI is certainly a very exciting advancement in technology. We've been embracing sort of the machine learning side of AI from the founding of the company. We use pretty sophisticated machine learning algorithms to develop our pricing and underwriting tools and models. And that's been in the works since we founded the company in 2017. We've iterated on them, we've continued to advance them and change them and make them more and more accurate. We're bringing AI now into the broader piece of the business, both internally. We're leveraging a lot of tools on the software development side to make our software developers more efficient, more scalable, to be able to increase our velocity and improve our accuracy of code and so forth. There's a lot of tools on that side. We're also introducing it into the service parts of our business as well, to more efficiently serve customers, as well as sort of the underwriting side of the business, so that our underwriters, we do have human underwriters, so we don't do it all with technology, but so that our underwriters are much more scalable and capable and can focus on sort of the higher value elements of the job that they do and use the machines and the tools to do research for them, to gather a bunch of data, organize that data in a very summarized way so that the underwriters have a lot of information in front of them in a more immediate basis.
Tell me, what are your priorities for Pi Insurance in 2024?
Yeah, 2024 is about expansion of lines of business, so continuing to move into the commercial auto space. We have a really exciting partnership that we developed with Ford on the Ford Pro. So Ford is the largest seller of commercial light trucks and vans in the country, with about 40% market share. In 2022, we signed an exclusive relationship with them to be the commercial auto insurance provider for their Ford Pro platform, so we're continuing to build that out. We're also expanding within workers' compensation, our core line of business. We've brought claims servicing in-house, so now we're delivering a Pi specific experience for our injured workers and our small businesses. And we're continuing to develop and build out those pricing algorithms. So we launched our sort of next generation of Pi pricing algorithms in late 23 that are going to really improve and drive our business in 24.
Okay. And finally, we're here at the NYSE at the IPO Summit. Tell me, what are you hoping to gain from attending this event?
Yeah, it's an exciting event. We're focused on building our business right now, but we do think in long term, the right answer for a company like Pi is to get to self-sustainability and to be a public company. And so we've heard and we know, and we're getting a lot of exposure today, that is not a decision that you make all of a sudden on one day and then the next day you're sort of doing it. It's a process, it's a readiness aspect, and we just want to get exposure to the different opportunities and what it's going to take, and think about what that 12, 18, 24-month process really is for a business like ours.
All right. Well, John, fantastic to talk with you.
Great.
Thanks for joining me on
Pleasure to be
Floor
here.
Talk. Thank you.
Thank you so much.